Hello, students. Again, we are continuing with the science chapter 16, garbage in, garbage out. Today, we will learn about the topic whether the use of plastic is good for us or it is harmful or bad for us. Now, what is plastic? Before we go into the detailed analysis about the plastic, we must know what plastic is actually. It is the general common term for a wide range of synthetic or semi synthetic materials used in a huge and growing range of applications wide diversified use. It is almost found everywhere, including our houses. Even in our houses, outside the houses, different uses you can see the plastic. And it is actually derived from the Greek word which is known as, plastikos, which the meaning of plastikos is it is fit for molding. And then there are actually two broad categories of the plastic material. One is known as the thermoplastic, and another is known as the chemosetting plastic. So just take into your mind this much, that is what are the uses of the, what is plastic and what are the types. The detailed study of the plastic you will study, or the detailed thing about the plastic you will study afterwards when you go into the higher classes. Today we will see only how plastic is causing harm to our environment and how it is dangerous. Now, excessive use of the plastic, because everywhere, starting from plastic bag, plastic container, plastic jar, plastic material, plastic toys, plastic rack, everything plastic has taken so much of our space, like we cannot think about anything, like think about the daily activity without the use of plastic. So, the excessive uses of the plastic objects and their disposal can harm the surrounding in various ways. Okay, disposal, why it is necessary? Because once we are using the plastic, obviously after the uses is over, we have to dispose them out. So that is the disposal also can cause various harms. Now, the plastic also become a curse when we use the things made up of plastic excessively. But as I told you, the disposal also is very harmful. So, use of the plastic also very harmful. Now, we will see the excessive use of plastic and their disposal, like how are they harming the environment and the surrounding. Number one, like plastics do not rot, because if you leave the plastic in the open environment, it you will see it will not rot in the normal nature. So the plastic bags, or rather to be said as the polythene bags, these are carelessly thrown into the roads or other places. They clog the drains and sewers, and ultimately they block the drain and causing the dirty rain water to spill on the roads. After the rain, after the monsoon, you can see it's a common scenario. Even if you stay at Kolkata or Siliguri or Malda or anywhere within the district, you can see the same scenario, because excessive use of the plastics are clogging the drains. And as the drains are being clogged, the rainwater or the water cannot pass normally. So as a result of which the water spill over the footpath and road, and ultimately causing the water logging everywhere. Next is the some people, like, they fill the household garbage in the plastic bags. Normal scenario, they fill the household garbage in the plastic bags and throw it away. So when the stray cattle, they look for food in this thrown garbage, because garbage are thrown into the plastics, and when the stray dog looks it, and they, along with the food material, they eat the plastic food, means the garbage what is inside the plastic bag, they cannot separate it out in majority cases, so they eat as a whole, eat the whole, the inside contains as well as the outside container, that is here the outside plastic. And eating of the plastic bags may harm the cattle, so sometimes the cattle even die, because if the plastics go into their body, either the respiratory tract is clogged, or there is some harmful reaction due to for which it is it, I mean, the animals are died. Now sometimes the plastic bags also which have been used by some person to store the poisonous material, and after storing the poisonous material, the plastic is thrown away, and again we are taking that plastic, and if keeping some food item, open food item inside that bag, that can cause the major harm, because initially it was filled up by the poisonous substances, and later on this poisonous substances, without washing, if in that place we pour or we keep some of the food items, obviously that can cause damage. And again the burning of the plastic waste also gives out, say, extensively harmful gases, and also which can cause many health problems. Say for example, you can understand a word very good, that is the cancer. So definitely the plastic is causing so many problems, health hazards to ourselves. So, in order to minimize the overuse of the plastic, already we had learned how plastic is causing major harms. Now we have to learn, that is how to minimize the overuse of plastic. Now, since the overuse of plastic article is not good for us and for the environment, we should stop the overuse. How? That is, we should stop the use of plastic carry bags, that is for any type of shopping purposes, and it is and instead of that, we can improvise, or we can say, um, think of using some cloth bag, or or the bag which is made up of some allowable material, so that the plastic use could be reduced. Then next is we can take our own cloth bag or jute bag wherever we go for shopping. That shopping can be vegetable shopping, fish shopping, that can be dress shopping, that can be shopping mall, that can be buying grocery, milk product, everything. Like if we carry our own bag, own cloth bag, own jute bag, obviously the use of the plastic could be minimized. And also we should use paper bags. This is the in nowadays, especially when we are going for a to buy say dresses or shoes or cosmetics, we can see there are paper bags, but that paper bags should have to be more durable, more strong, so that we can buy other things also by the with this paper bag. And also we should reuse the plastic container. Reuse means, in the last class already we had told that maybe we had brought some jams, pickles, oils, and other packet food materials, and then these containers could be used for reusing or storing the spices and the sugar and the tea leaves, etc. And also we should give away the old plastic toys to others who can use them, rather than throwing and rather than creating a hazardous waste. We can easily give that toys to somebody, to smaller somebody who can use it. Then we there are certain steps we can do to reduce the generation of the garbage. What is that? That is, the first one is we can use or we can throw the waste by vermicomposting, which can give us good quality of manure, which can we give to the plants. And we should not throw plastic bags here and there. And also we should never burn. That is very offensive, because plastic burning can cause a very much harmful obnoxious gases. So in any case we should not burn the plastic. Then we should make full use of paper in our notebook, that is for the writing in both the sides, as we had discussed in the last classes. We should also use magazine, newspaper, notebook. They should be sent for recycling. And also we should have give the old clothes to others who can use, as I had told you. That is, instead of making it an hazardous waste, we can give it to others who are using it. And also we can choose and buy the products which are having least packaging, and also use the cloth bag, jute bag, paper bag. Like, we should avoid the use of plastic. And also we should recycle the useless and the old objects which are made up of glass, metals, instead of throwing them away. And obviously we should know how to recycle the plastic. So just carelessly, just without taking the responsibility, we are throwing the waste, we are generating the garbage, then we are making the entire procedure of garbage disposal is in a very uh, in a very complicated way, which can harm environment. We should stop doing this and do or dispose the garbage in a better way. See students, garbage disposal, it is not only the responsibility of the government, neither the responsibility of the municipality alone. It is also the responsibility for all of us. We should understand that these waste, these garbages are causing the general harm. So we should know how to use them in a judicious manner, in a proper manner, so that their harmful effects on us and on environment could be reduced. Hope this chapter is clear to you. That is how the garbage is generated, how the garbages are processed, how they are thrown away, what is the use of plastic, and how the plastic use could be minimized. Hope you got all these ideas which you can implement in your daily life. Next day, we'll start with the question answers. Till then, all of you stay safe. Thank you.